We've announced an expanded strategic 5-year partnership with Microsoft. Together, we're going to co-sell the Veeam Data Cloud, and we're going to co-innovate for the benefit of customers the Veeam product family and Microsoft's Copilot and Azure AI services. Joining me today is Jason Grafey, Microsoft's ISV leader. And Jason, you've had a storied career at Microsoft and you've worked closely with Satya for a long time. It's a real privilege to have you with us today.
Hey, thanks, Matthew. I'm really excited to be here. It's my pleasure. And, I'm really excited to let all of our joint customers and partners know about what our companies are doing together. And congrats on your recent launch of the Veeam Data Cloud on Azure. We're really excited about that.
Yeah, it's a big moment for us for sure, Jason. The Veeam Data Cloud platform is about ransomware recovery service running as a service in the cloud. And we recently launched both data protection for Microsoft 365 users and data protection for Microsoft Azure services, all on the Veeam Data Cloud, all running on Azure. We have 18 million users of Microsoft 365 protected today. And what's exciting about the potential of this partnership is we're going to bring even more innovation to hundreds of thousands of customers.
I couldn't agree more, Matthew. When I think about Veeam and Microsoft joining forces to drive co-innovation on Azure, how much is going to help our customers and really let them harness the power of their data to make their environments more resilient. And so Azure has the most availability zones in the world, and this really gives our customers the ultimate choice in where they want to protect, store, and manage their data. And so from a Microsoft 365 perspective, our partnership combined with advances like Microsoft 365 Backup, it really opens up opportunities to significantly grow that 18 million Microsoft 365 users protected by Veeam today.
I agree, Jason. And when you actually take the combination of Veeam's #1 market position in the data backup and ransomware protection market, combine that with the Microsoft Azure platform and the power that that brings, then what we have is innovation that will really light up AI for many of our customers. It's also great to have a joint go-to-market together so that we can ensure that more customers are able to keep their business running because of the work we do together jointly.
I agree. It is really exciting. And then jointly selling these capabilities is the final piece of where we can make the customer experience even better by doing it together.
Thanks, Jason. I look forward to jointly working with our customers and partners.
Absolutely, Matthew. We're just getting started.
Thanks for joining me today.